sorry to
stick
say,
together.
but it's a bit like the cat food. You would never try this.
Never. I will never try.
你们有听说过吗？每位厨师都有一张普通客人看不到的菜单，只有足够了解他的食客，才能召唤出隐藏菜单，品尝到一般人无缘得见的美食。那事实真的如此吗？今天我们一探究竟。大家好，我是 Amanda， 欢迎收看隐藏菜单。我现在在上海的养云安缦酒店，因为我想要给我的隐藏菜单这个节目呢寻找一些合适的餐厅和厨师，所以今天就是来这边吃个饭。
Hello everybody. I'm Chef Nicola. I'm come from south of Italy. I've been in Shanghai already for 7 years. This is my first year in Amman. Well, I start in the kitchen work very young. So be a chef is around 13 years. I start because I have my son, my brother. He's 8 years younger than me. So I started to cook for him. So my mom see my talents on the cooking and say, hey, you should go to the chef school. I said, no, mom. So she pushed me. Finally, I chose the chef school that time, and today I'm here. As I told you, for my grandma, I take the homemade pasta side. In Italy, every Sunday, we prepare it's a big party every Sunday. So prepare some pasta. Actually, my here recipe is from her, but now he's not here anymore, so I have a nice memory on her. Okay, Amanda, what do you think? I think for today our basket is quite full. Let's go to the kitchen.
Yeah, let's go.
So we are going to prepare our ravioli. Is with the French duck, you can see here, and we'll do with some homemade ricotta. Let's make hot the milk and cream, and then we have here prepare a little lemon juice. Here we are, and after you can see downstairs.
这个滤出来的就是乳清，下面这个颜色会有点偏绿的。
Traditional recipe is you need a fresh milk, but for being more safe, with pasteurized milk, yes. But of course, best quality, best product.
现在尼克拉会教大家怎么去做这个内馅儿。内馅儿它其实用的是一个油封压的这个内馅儿，还蛮特别的。你吃过吗？
And what I do, just fill in the baking bag with all aroma.
里面有各种香草，还有这个香叶，然后切拌的蒜头。That's olive oil, right?
A little bit, yeah, extra virgin olive oil. You need to put a little bit more because the confit, it means cooking the fat. So you can see, we can balance the fat of the olive oil and the duck. I still don't put any season because I want the natural taste of the duck. Okay, this will be the final result after 8 hours, and you can see all the fat. And you can see the smell.
So why do you want to put confit duck in ravioli?
Because the duck is the main ingredient as a main course in China. So I make this kind of combination from Italy and China together, so it's a nice match.
然后这个油封鸭闻起来有一个好熟悉的味道，很像，就是那种混合了盐水鸭以及烤鸭的那种香味。
Okay, you can see it's very soft. Even it's cold, it's very soft meat. So what we are doing now is remove all the meat, and the skin and the bone part we will keep for the sauce as well for this dish. So for now, we are going to chop our duck very thin. Okay, here we go.
I'm sorry
Stick
to say,
together.
but it's a bit like the cat food.
Okay, Amanda, now we are taking some vegetable. I will add some onion inside as well.
这个蔬菜也是要放在这个饺子馅儿里，就有点像中国饺子啊，纯肉不好吃嘛，加点韭菜才好吃。有没有注意到尼克拉手上的这个手环没有？有没有点好奇 ？Is it made with a real fork?
It's not real fork, but you can say. And also have some Michelin star here,
Okay.
as well, I recognize. Okay, now we are cooking our duck. A little bit olive oil. Put our onion, celery and carrot. I really like this smell. Okay, now we add our duck.
鸭肉原来还要炒一炒。
And we still add some fresh herbs.
有罗勒，有这个
And dill.
石螺。
Yeah, basil and dill. If you have some times, also it's okay. Oh, you're quite familiar. You can.
Yeah, I can be your assistant.
Now we add a little salt, black pepper. Okay, this will be our final duck. And now we will add our ricotta.
你可以看到这个切丝流其实是有点颗粒感的，因为就是尼可拉说特意没有让它变得很就是像奶油一样，因为那样会比较油腻。如果有这个橙子或者柠檬皮的话，削一点进去也会不错。
So our stuffing now is ready. We are going to let the take a rest in the fridge because we need it cold. Now it's hot. Okay, Amanda, now I'll show you how to make the dough. So what we have here is a semolina and a flour 00. So when I make the dough, I like to make two kind of the flour. Okay, for my recipe about the pasta, I like use the Japanese egg because it's a high quality of the egg and give me a nice color for the dough. We put the whole egg on the middle.
So just egg, flour, no
Yeah.
water.
No any water.
这个 pasta 在做的时候是只有面粉和鸡蛋的，完全不加水，也不加盐，因为这个尼可拉说，你加盐的话可能会让这个面团变得有点黑黑的那种，他想要让它面团看起来特别的金黄。
I really like make the fresh pasta. It's give me a feeling of relaxing and.
Oh, you said you got the
Yeah, this is my.
method from your grandma. Right?
Yes. Because in Italy, make a fresh pasta is. I remember every Sunday with her.
传说中的意大利的奶奶都是非常会做饭的，然后都是一家里头的主心骨。看来传言果然是真的。Is there any secret from your grandma of making a good pasta?
Well, she say you need to work too much the dough for make it smoothie.
Okay.
Like I said, this I already prepared before because the dough need to rest. So you see.
OK， 就是要很努力的揉面的意思。
Split into part. Very important is when we finish to make the dough need to rest around at least half an hour. And now
我
we
们现
start.
在用这个压面机去给它压。
And I remember my grandma, she don't have this machine. We do
So how does she
this one.
do rolling pin?
Rolling, yes, and
你看到的这个外
it's
婆
a really hard job,
这个
but
东西去压面。
okay, when you can start to see the hand between the dough, you see, so it's the right height of the dough. So it's very important. Cover a little bit our pasta because it don't become dry. So the first
这是刚
things,
刚的馅儿，它装到这个裱花袋里头了。
the first things we do a little bit with just water for let. Here we are make our ravioli. Now we are going to close, and we need to push all the hair outside.
OK
You just help by hand. You can try with me make one.
OK，
You fill the stuffing
yeah.
and push all the hair out. I think I should be hire you.
失业之后的工作找到了。
You start to cut our ravioli. You can do yours.
就圆圆的，很像一个草帽的感觉。
This is the traditional one we do in Italy.
So that's it. You don't do anything else. to it?
Yeah.
OK， 就这样，很简单，有没有？这是我见过最简单的意大利饺子做法。
Now I show you something funny when we was making with grandma. Some kind of candy. Okay, Amanda, now we are making our shape we are using for today.
现在做的就是他们在餐厅里头会出品的那个形状。
Now you can keep one, do one with me. We are going to close half moon. We are close here. This will be our shape for today.
感觉有点像韩式饺子。
Okay, Amanda, now I will show you our sauce, how to make our sauce. You remember we didn't throw away anything from the duck, all the bones. So we just start with extra virgin olive oil, put everything inside.
现在就是用刚刚那个压 水什么的，可以喝这样原汤化原。这个鸭的油脂下锅就很香了。
So I will add a little bit of gram marmier because it is a liquor that have a little bit orange taste. You can see now a little bit. And now we are going to add the water. This will be the final result.
这一锅煮4个小时之后就会变成这个样子。现在这个酱汁已经非常浓稠了，因为它是没有加淀粉去增稠，它里头这个浓郁都来自于就是像鸭的骨头里头会含有一些吉利丁的成分，就是有自然的浓稠感。
Okay, Mona, now we are cooking our ravioli. So we just boil the water. Now we can add the salt. So very important when we cook the fresh pasta is the water. Also here, no need to boil it too much. So just put our ravioli or dumpling.
在意大利饺子一定要小一点的火煮啊，因为它里头那个馅儿是比较湿软的嘛，就是你大火煮的话，它可能会爆开。
You can see here happened because it was too much fast.
啊。
So usually in Italy when we cook the fresh pasta, we add a little bit olive oil.
水里头加一点点橄榄油，可以防蒸。然后这个饺子的馅儿，因为它里头馅儿我们刚刚看到已经差不多是熟了的，所以也不需要煮太久，就把皮煮熟就行了。现在捞出来了。看到没？这个饺子煮完了之后，其实形状没有太大变化。最重要的装盘步骤要来了。
Okay, our dish is ready. Buon appetito.
做好了。
It's time to try now.
这真的好方便啊！因为这个鸭肉它很嫩的感觉，它其实跟cheese有点融为一体。
It's not too dry inside.
I really like the shape of this ravioli. It's clever shape.
It's a kind of the lucky gold that we have in China, the kind of a hat, you know.
Yes, it is. 那我们今天差不多就到这儿了。喜欢我的节目，或者喜欢我本人，或者喜欢Nicola，不要忘记点赞、订阅、关注、评论、转发、投硬币。
一键三连，拜拜。
I guess we might be hungry, so we have some snacks.
Yeah, I mean we just tried, but it's not enough.
Yeah.
Oh,
I
you're
guess
so
it's
kind.
Not enough.
Sorry. This is against the Italian kitchen. Please,
So
I will never try. Never.